Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download and install Heroes of Might and Magic on your Windows device. So first, open up your end browser and head over to the Steam website. And here, just click on the Install Steam option you'll see on the top, and just download and install the Steam on your Windows device. And you also have to create the Steam account once you sign up to Steam. And after installing the Steam, open up the Steam and just sign into your account and click on the top search box and type here Heroes of Might, and you'll see this game on the top. So just click on it and just scroll down and you can click on add to cart and you can simply purchase it from the Steam. Now click on this view my cart option, then click on continue to payment and pay the amount. After you pay the amount, the game will be added to your Steam library. So just go to your Steam library and find the game and just hit install. And guys, that's how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, please like it, and thanks for watching.